Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see and check our video also. And also, I thank all of you from here for helping my channel reaching 10,000 subscribers today. It's just yesterday that when we have 1,000 to 2,000, I really appreciate your support all over the world. And let us go today. We have a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, 2018, 2017, something like that. And this car went into an accident. They fixed some items, and one of the things that it happened is if any accident happened, you see here we have a safety switch here, that if the accident is severe, the airbag control module will send a signal through this two wire, and it will open the circuit that coming into this fully functional wire like starter and all this, and it will disable the car from starting. And this have to be fixed. When you buy it, you're gonna buy the whole unit. This one with all this is coming complete. If you want to put it together, okay. If it's not, you can move some item of it. The old one is like this. If you notice it, the old one is like this here, and the sensor wire is coming in this place, and when it's come out, it will disengage the continuity from this place here, and then now the power that coming from this area here to this will no more be there. This power, this wire will have no power unless you have to change it. After you change it, it come complete. Okay, you don't need to put this one here. You just lose those stuff. This part here will not get affected. This part from here and here get affected. So you can just have this cable replaced. You know, this is a black one. It's coming all the way from the bottom there, I believe. I'm not sure how it is, but you see here, it's coming through this way and go all the way under there. I'm gonna put it here. Also, I have another piece that is come with it. If you want to put it, okay. If you don't want to put it, this is where the cable here, this cable is coming here, and this one is sitting on the battery for the safeties. It's not bad. Now still the car doesn't want to crank. You see, I push the button, it doesn't crank. Why? Because it will send signal to the engine control module that this car will not start unless you have to, let me turn the radio off, unless you have to do that code have to be clear. And here where we're gonna go, you wanna come here, we're gonna go here, and I will go to X Century. What year this car was?
I'll tell you what.
It's 2018 or 17 or 19?
It is a 19.
19 Sprinter, right?
Yeah, 2500.
2500. So this is a Mercedes-Benz software for diagnosis, and it will work. You can get it. You can get it all over. You can Google it and you will get it. But it doesn't have programming, SC encoding. It's just for diagnosis. Okay. I'm gonna clear this one here. The battery is fully charged, right? I gotta go to Mercedes-Benz here. And Mercedes-Benz, you know, under Mercedes-Benz there is a lot of cars. Maybach, Smart, a lot of cars. So here, either you can get a VIN number, or maybe van, truck, is up to you. So I'm gonna put the VIN number here, or you're gonna leave it. Sometime it will get it by itself. So I gotta say van. If you go by van, it's Sprinter up to 2013 here. I don't know which one exactly here, but it is better for you to go back by VIN. And if you want it by VIN, let's write down the VIN number here. Read the VIN number for me.
VIN number is WD 4PF
4 Peter, right?
Yeah, Peter Frank.
I'm gonna put the VIN number. I come back. Yeah. I put the VIN numbers here, and I'm gonna say continue. Now it's supposed to give me some kind of you say all, transmission all. You bring the picture of the car, and it's printer 907. Right away I will go to diagnose and then see what's going to happen. Ignition switch is on. Now I'm gonna go just exactly like other cars. It will go to a boundary condition, and then control unit are being initialized. Check the VIN number, and then the coding of the central code. You know, like it have the charging system is a little bit low.
You want me to get the battery charger?
Yeah, it's better to have a charger. It's
Let me
better.
go grab the battery charger. Ow.
You know, everything is good. Checking the VIN number is okay. Evaluation information is okay. Everything is good. And what I like about this one here, it will tell you what is there and what you need to do. Now we are here. Now initial test. Check something. Now we are trying to read all the information. Now if you want to start test, you're going to click in quick test, and here we're testing the car. This car have like 27 computers. You see here say please start the engine, otherwise the system will shut off. You know why? Because the battery is weak. So here we are running the diagnosis. When you have this car, first of all, you have to start doing this. And also, I like the simplicity of Mercedes-Benz. This is an OBD2 connector, and we have only power to ground and can high and can low. Good. Ignition lock, select catalytic reduction SCCR, and here are all the thank you that we need a charger, which is very important. Now the quick result is being saved. Now you see here supplemental restraint, more electronic. We have fault, signal acquisition, control unit overhead. We have a couple of codes. Now I'm gonna go open one by one and see what we have. Those are the computers. See the bottom one, they're all good. Here he say open test result. Okay, this one we don't need it. I'm gonna go to diagnose. Let me go back now. I see what we have. We already start the car. We start the test, so I'm gonna see the airbag, what I have. This is the module, the information. Completed initial startup. Manufacturer. The skip for the driver airbag is stage 2 has malfunction here. This place here. And also the skip emergency retractor for driver has malfunction here. And also we have the skip for pyrofuse, one board electric network line has malfunction. I don't know which one is that. Pyrofuse onboard electrical network line has malfunction. The electric line have a short circuit to each others. We have two codes here. I don't know if this is true or not, but what I need to do is now I'm gonna go to Moro Electric. On Moro Electric we have output 4 for reference voltage. Controlling supplemental restraint system has detected a crash. This is what we need. P0003, P30025. Control unit supplemental restraint system also has detected crash. current and stored. The onboard power supply voltage is too low. The onboard voltage supply is too low. The onboard supply component intake port shut off is stick in the open state. Actuators. We have a lot of codes, but before I clear the code, component intake, component temperature, component impulsible, all this control unit has malfunction. Component with signal acquisition, communication with the control unit, traction. So what we need to do is we're going to go down here. We take P0 P0335, this one, P3000, P0 3025. I will go back. Let me clear this one here. Okay, I'm gonna open the engine, continue. This is the airbag. This is the airbag codes. This is the code for the airbag. I want to see what code we have. Those 3 codes is still available. Let me clear it. I clear it now. You know, there is no difference between any tools. Okay. I'm gonna read it again, start monitoring it. They all come back. So we have those codes in the system. You need to look at it and see what happened, okay? I will go back now. You know, this car have even, you can click here to get a, what they call, like, you can go by this one here. Yeah, and you can click here to get the topology. And like here in the topology, you can see Candy, which one is there, what they are there in the line. So here you're gonna see 1120 something. Here you have N10. Okay, here you have N2. I'm looking for where I am getting my computer. So if you are not able to get it from here, go back to Diagnose. And now N225, N10. Where is the engine computer? Motor is N3. Now it takes you directly to the motor. I confirm. Now we're gonna go to the engine and then we see what needs to be done. Ignition is on? No, now it's on. Because it said that continuing without ignition switch on. Now, this is the code. We're reading the faults. You see a lot of faults here, right? I'm looking for this one. This is everything is stored. You know, everything is stored, but the only one that is very problematic is P030025. What they say, control supplemental restraint system SRS has detected a crash. It will send signal here to disable it. But all are restored. There is nothing live, but this one is live. If you notice, this code here is live. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go to list of fault code. Resetting warning message. Delete memory recording diagnose. maybe I have to go to list of codes, and then from here we're gonna look for our code and try to see. Okay, 325, right? This one. The crash signal from the was received. Read the fault memory. End of the test. It just okay, let me see why. I'm supposed to get it. I don't see where that thing. This is. I don't see that place. Maybe this one here, you see? You're gonna come to the adaptation, and from the adaptation, resetting function crash signal. So you're gonna come here, and then you see here what it say. Inhabit of engine start by crash event is active. So what you need to do is continue. To teaching process running. It says there is an error. I don't know why, but it's keep going 100%. Essentially diagnose data restore incomplete faulty. Hopefully it's gonna work. Teaching process. You say 100%. But they say 100%, right? Okay. Let me read the error now. Let me clear them. This is the stay. Okay, let me try to take. Maybe we need to check those sensors on. No, maybe we need to check. Okay, maybe we need to check those code on the airbag have to be fixed first. Yeah, because if you do it, yeah, but we still have value there. We have to fix those values because we receive it. Yeah, because the request is out of range. We have code there.
Okay.
We have this sensor, we have this sensor. Also, let me try to go to the airbag and see if I can reset it, because after crash you may need to reset the airbag too. Those 3 codes, we have to fix them. More electronic. We clear all this. We have 1 code left. Okay. Where is the SRS supplemental? And let me see if there's anything we're gonna reset it, because it also creates some signal.
Check under my box. Under? Yeah.
Okay. Let me see what code I have here. I have this 3 code. We need to fix those. And also let me see if there is any adaptation, configuration, manual setting. No, we don't need this. We don't have no problem with here. We need to fix those code, I believe, before we go crazy.
Okay.
You change this? You change some stuff here?
No, I'm not sure if the body shop had changed
The component, yeah. The
me
skip
find out.
the skip for the driver airbag is stage 2. This one maybe is not configured yet.
Yeah, let me.
This is brand new. Need to be programmed too.
Well, I don't think. I think this is stuck.
Still never changed, right?
Yeah, it never changed.
Those old things have to be changed.
So, this one, what other ones are there?
Say it again.
What are the other ones there?
Okay, I gotta take you a picture for it, because if you don't fix it, we may not be able to do it, because it's still.
Okay.
Take the picture of it. The skip for the driver airbag is stage 2 has malfunction. We need to fix this one.
Okay.
We need to fix the skip emergency tension attractor driver has malfunction. This one here.
Yeah.
The skip pyrofuse on board electrical has been electrical line have short B27. We need to check all these 3 before we go crazy. Pyrofuse. You see, like resistance value of ignition circuit with the component F39 battery clamp pyrofuse. Still, you have a problem here.
Okay.
What? There is a fuse here. This is brand new.
Yeah, that's brand new.
So
I literally just put that 5
what
minutes.
about the fuse here inside here?
I checked the continuity on them.
Still, you have something here.
Okay. Because this
Battery clamp pyrofuse.
This wire here is.
You see here, I don't have nothing. The specification. Look here. Maybe the connector there. This one. You change this?
No, I didn't change this harness.
No, maybe the hand is messed up or cut off.
It looks like it was pinched because I'm looking at this here. See that flat spot? It looks like
Can
it was.
you pull it, see if it broke? Like spaghetti?
Just pull the wire in because it was pinched.
Disconnect this. Maybe the connector here is no good.
Maybe.
Let me turn this off.
Wonder if there's
Now the value is high. You see, the value is high. Where do you get this from?
that from Mercedes.
Okay, put it back. Maybe need a configuration. I don't know, but plug it in, because I don't see the right value. Now it's 225. It's very high. Plug it in and see what happens. 0.24. That's very low.
So unless the wire in here is broken.
It could be.
Because wherever this little pinch is, right
Yeah,
here,
check it out. Check it out and see maybe.
can't physically see. You know, it's a little hard to tell.
Okay, you have that piece here. The small square piece. This one. This will work like a sensor.
This?
Okay, let me see now. Yes. Yes. You see, it's 2.39 green. Beautiful. Okay. This one here is that means I don't know where you get this from, or maybe the connector here is no good. It doesn't connect well.
Yeah. Possible.
Or maybe it's blown out already.
When it's blown out, it sticks out.
No. Okay. The power. We still have power there. Right? Tester light here. We have
Let
power.
me grab the test light.
Yeah. So you see now we put that the small tester and you see everything will look good there. Okay. Okay, value. You see everything good here. Windows are good. Emergency tensioner. Yeah, resistance of the ignition switch component R1221 here. This also is no good. Side airbag is good. You see here, 23 something. Airbag for driver, perfect. Airbag for drivers and front passengers is good, perfect. Perfect. Sensors, everything look good. Buckles also good. Seat rewinder good. VIN number is good. Output voltage, yeah. One circuit also we don't have no power. The voltage at circuit 15 we have no voltage there too.
Which one is circuit 15?
I don't know, but you see circuit 15 here we don't have nothing
So
there.
circuit 30 is usually.
It's good.
So we got power here coming out.
So we're good here. What about the fuses and everything?
I checked those earlier.
Look here. Maybe actual value on this one. Huh? Voltage. Ignition is off. Why is that one? Sorry. Okay, right now. Yes. Okay. It's perfect. So now let me go back to VIN. VIN is good. Seat belt reminder is good. You see it. Buckle switch is good. Sensors is good. That's the value. I don't know. Maybe. Okay. Airbag driver front is good. Side airbag is good. Emergency tensioner. Restraint value of ignition circuit component R12.1. It's no good. Where is that?
So R12.1.
This is stuck?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you need this one too.
Yeah, so that one and this.
Yeah, no, this is good.
Oh, this one is good.
This is good, yeah.
Okay.
This one here. And this one, maybe you need a connection or you need something to connect good. Maybe this connector is not good because we put this one, everything look okay.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
So before you go crazy, we need all this stuff. Because if the computer keeps seeing those stuff, it will say something is not okay. It's still...
Yeah. No, I was just looking.
Yeah. Windows are good. Pyrofuse is not good. The one that they just take it out. You have to put it in. Can input signal is good. Can signal here also. Seatbelt not inserted. Everything will look good. So what we need to do first, we have to go back. We have to go back to fix those items, right?
Okay.
I'm not sure, but I feel like this thing here is not getting inside this correctly, or something wrong with this.
Okay.
And the seat belt have to get one.
Yeah.
After we don't have no airbag codes, we can go to the computer and reset
The starter.
the starter more. More electronic. Okay, we're gonna do it one more. Put that sensor there just to say that battery is good. but still we have one code. We have one live code. You see error code on the engine computer, only one code. Control unit supplemental restraint system has detected a crash. Okay. Okay. Sometime the supplemental restraint, after he detected a crash, you may have to reconfigure it, or at least there is something there.
Could be also because of the.
Let's fix the system there. If we don't have nothing, maybe this one here we can go into adaptation, as you say, and teach in. And then resetting function crash signal. You understand this one? And when we try to do it, it's active now. Inhabitor, they call it inhabitor. Processing. You see that you must contact. You see, like maybe we need to get kind of okay. Communication error. Java started dilemma export expression negative response received. Okay, let's fix that one and then we take it from there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we are here now. I believe maybe we need access online. I'm not sure, but at least we are here knowing what's going on and what the result need to be done. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is the diagnosis. We just diagnose the car and we try to narrow down the problem to see what happened. But I'm sure that either it needed online to be done online, or it may need to have like those things to be fixed first before you go to the next level. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.